Thank you for joining Pioneer Library System. I'm Chris, STEAM Specialist at Norman Central. In today's episode of Librarians Will Eat Anything, we'll be making the recipe for Soylent Green from Cassandra Reeder's The Geeky Chef cookbook, based on her blog, The Geeky Chef. This book features her recipes for many of the foods that appear in fandoms across the world and is available right now on Hoopla, included with your Pioneer Library card. What's in Soylent Green, you ask? Well, let me tell you. Soylent Green is... Soylent Green is a nutritious and delicious food product made from high-energy plankton. It's also a movie from 1973 starring Charlton Heston, based on the 1966 science fiction novel Make Room by Harry Harrison, also available on Hoopla. Okay, back to Reeder's recipe. To make this version of Soylent Green, you'll need 60 grams of fresh spinach, 1 large egg, about 55 grams, 120 grams of butter, softened, 60 grams of shredded Parmesan cheese, 50 grams of furikake, which is a Japanese seasoning mix that has seaweed in it, which I guess is sort of like high-energy plankton, garlic powder to taste, I used 3.6 grams, onion powder to taste, again, I used 3.6 grams, 180 grams of flour, and food coloring for added garishness if you want, although I'm not going to use it. Puree the spinach in a food processor to make a paste. Add the egg, butter, and food coloring and blend until well mixed. Blend all of the dry ingredients together in a large bowl, then add that to the wet ingredients and mix well. Chill in the refrigerator for 1 hour. In the movie, these rations are shaped like plain green squares, but of course, you can make them into whatever shape you want. In the end, you're looking for some sort of shape that's 1/8 of an inch, or about 3 millimeters, thick. So, roll it, press it, cut it, whatever. Then, bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 200 Celsius, for 15 to 20 minutes until they are crispy cracker-like things, and definitely not people at all. Now, feed it to your friendly neighborhood librarians. They'll eat anything.
Oh, it does not smell good. If I didn't have to smell it, I would eat.
A lot of flavors going on right now. It's not bad.
Oh, it's kind of spicy. It's not unpleasant. It tastes like green.
Pretty good.
They're really good.
If you enjoyed this video, like and share below.